Heart failure, a serious problem. Even in a small country as the Netherlands, every year 26,500 people are diagnosed with heart failure. When suffering from heart failure, the pump function of your heart is reduced and, in some cases, the heart muscle wall is stretched. In this process of deterioration, the biomarker NT-proBNP is released in the bloodstream. The weaker the muscles of the heart are, the higher the concentration NT-proBNP will be. TEST developed a biosensor for this biomarker NT-proBNP, allowing patients to monitor their condition at home. The biosensor consists of a stationary detector and interchangeable cartridges. The patient inserts a droplet of blood in a cartridge. Inside the cartridge, the blood is filtered and the fluid is transported to a reaction chamber via capillary transport. Once the plasma reaches the reaction chamber, the dried magnetic particles in this chamber will dissolve. The magnetic particles are coated with antibodies, to which the biomarker binds during the first phase, the incubation phase. During the second phase, clusters are formed aided by linear magnetic pulses. In the third phase, the formed clusters are rotated and a signal is recorded using a laser. The laser is focused in the sample and measures the scattering of the magnetic particles at a shallow angle. The rotating clusters cause a time-varying scatter intensity, which is a measure for the number of clusters and thus the concentration of biomarker. Supplemented with other variables as weight, physical exercise, and anamnesis, an algorithm uses this big data to compute the patient's status. If the status is good, the patient does not need to measure again for a while. If the status is somewhat deteriorated, the patient is advised to measure again the next day and can, if desired, seek contact with the specialist. If the status is critical, the specialist receives a notification and measures can be taken to prevent hospitalization. The biosensor is a small, fast, accurate, and user-friendly device. The biosensor empowers patients and involves them in their health status, and all that by your own lab at home.